Hello, family. Welcome back to my kitchen. Can you believe it? It is almost Christmas. And if you're anything like me, during the Christmas season, we snack a lot more. We host, and one of the recipes that I intend to use for snacking this year is this angel egg because it is easy to make, it is very quick, it is delicious, and it is way healthier than most other snacks. So, without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I went ahead to place my eggs in hot water, okay? It is very important to use hot water because I have tried boiling eggs with cold water, and most of the time they just, when you try to peel them, they become a mess. So place your egg in hot water, and I boiled my egg for 12 minutes. Once the eggs are done boiling, you're going to place it in cold water. You're going to give them a cold water bath. This is to stop the cooking process, okay? It is very important to do this so that your eggs don't overcook. You want that yolk to be nice and soft and not to be overcooked. And this is exactly what has happened with mine. Look how nicely my eggs are peeling. Sometimes the eggs can be nightmare. You try to peel them and they will just be hot mess. But this one, all of them peeled really beautifully, and I am so happy. Next, I went ahead to slice my eggs into two, and I made use of my bread knife so that I can have some nice design on the edges of my eggs, okay? Use normal knife, is that what you prefer? It's just me being extra as always. So after slicing, you're going to remove the yolk into a separate bowl, and we're going to be working on the yolk later. Let me use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all my existing subscribers. You guys are super amazing. Thank you so much for always watching, always liking, sharing, and engaging with my videos. Really appreciate you. And to our members, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always gifting. And if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Kick back, relax, and let's enjoy this ride together. So now all the eggs have been sliced in half and my yolk are all in this bowl. So I went ahead to mash the yolks. You can use a fork. I decided to use my whisk to do this. However you do it, just make sure that you crumble them up like this. After separating the yolk and the egg whites, this is what my egg whites looks like, and this is the yolk that have crumbled. You're just going to come in and season your egg yolk with whatever sauces that you like. For sure, mayonnaise is the first thing that goes in for me. I added a bit of mustard. I added a bit of sriracha because this girl loves like sriracha, and also I added a bit of black pepper. If you do not want all the hotness, please feel free to leave them out or use one or just two. Just make sure it is nice and tasty. And this is what I did first. I didn't measure anything, so you want to go with your feelings, okay? We're cooking with feelings today, and it is okay to do that sometimes, right? So you're just going to go by the texture. This is after I've added about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and a very tiny dot of mustard and some sriracha. I noticed that it wasn't creamy enough, so I came in with some extra mayonnaise. I added a bit more of everything again just to make sure that I got the consistency that I want, and this is what we have. Now that everything is nice and creamy and tasting how I want it to taste, I am going to be placing this in a disposable piping bag. I have put a piping tip at the bottom of it, and I'm going to be piping this onto my egg whites. You can do this with a spoon, okay? This is just for it to look nicer and just that pretty look, okay? You know me, I love things to look pretty. And you're just going to pipe it into your egg white like I'm doing here. I forgot to mention earlier that I cooked 12 eggs, so this is a dozen of eggs, and this will give you 24, or this has given me 24 pieces of angel eggs. We're not making deviled eggs here, okay? We're making angel eggs because the devil has no place on this channel, okay? So this is me trying to pipe the egg yolks back into the egg white and just have fun doing that, like, like I did. And in all honesty, this is very, very easy to make. It is prettier than the amount of time that goes into making it, and it is even more delicious. I went ahead to sprinkle some paprika on top of it just to decorate it. So especially if you're putting it on the table with other meals, you want to make it look nice, or maybe you're bringing it to an event, you want to make it look pretty. So this is what I've done here. So for the festive period, I would have this in the fridge, and maybe it will last a day or two before I make another one, and everyone can just snack on it as they wish. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.